Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up the face recognition feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to add face data, we need to open the settings. Now over here, scroll down and go to security and privacy. Over here, find biometrics and then go there and then choose face recognition. And now we can start registering our face, so we can press continue. Then over here we have the option to secure to set the secure screen lock first. So if you don't use PIN, password, or a pattern, then you will be pretty much forced to use one of these. So let's say I'm gonna choose a PIN code for this. There you go. It's a simple one, but it's only for this video only. So of course, in your case, you should be able, or you should use something more complicated. And now we need to hold the front camera on our face in order to register our face. And once you register your face, you will have some options like face unlock, stay on lock screen until swipe. So if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to swipe even or after your face is recognized, then you can disable this option. Require open eyes, we have brighten screen, sorry, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. We have added our data. We also have the option to add alternative appearance to enhance recognition. So if you feel like the face recognition doesn't work too well, then you can scan your face one more time, register it in order to increase the chances, or in other words, decrease the chances of failing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.